So Hasni, here the point is, for example, you can see in the eighth one, actually we did till finding out the n value in Hasni using SN equation. We found out it. Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Hello, sir. Could you hear me?
Yes, Hasni. In the eighth question, actually AN is given and SN is given, Hasni. So third question, third one, eighth bit. AN is 4, Hasni. D is 2 and SN is minus 14, Hasni.
Okay.
So Hasni, first what I'm doing is Sn is equal to minus 14. So n by 2 into a plus l, Hasni, is minus 14. Here L is nothing but an, no, Hasni. Whenever we have an, we can use that for that. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So n by 2 into a plus an is 4, Hasni. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm taking this 2 right side, Hasni, cross multiplication. 2, whatever there in the denominator, it's multiplied with a plus 4, so I can take it to the right side. So n into a plus 4 is equal to minus 14 into 2 is minus 28.
Okay.
Okay. So now n is equal to, from this I'm separating n, Hasni, minus 28 by a plus 4. Okay, Hasni.
Okay.
So now we'll keep this like this on. How I got this? Have you understood it, Hasni?
Okay. Could you tell me where did 2 go?
Hasni,
Sir, how did you like separate n by 2?
how did you?
You multiplied n by 2 into 14, sir. You multiplied 2 into 14.
Yes, Hasni. This 2 is in the denominator. It's multiplication between the fractions. So fraction and this a plus 4. So we can take this 2 right side and cross multiply also.
Okay.
Because if you want more clarity, Hasni, this thing we can write it as n into a plus 4 by 2 also. Overall by 2.
Okay.
Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So now because of that reason, the 2 will get cross multiplied.
Okay.
So the 2 into minus 14 minus 28. Now I am separating n from this. Means I am finding out n from this. N is equal to minus 28 by a plus 4. Hasni.
Okay.
N is multiplied with a plus 4. So if we will go that side also, it will become minus 28 by a plus 4.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni. So now what we have to do is, Hasni, we have to use this n is equal to 4. We have still n is equal to 4. From there we can get one equation.
Okay, sir.
N is 4. A plus n minus 1 into d is 4. So a plus n is not there, Hasni. So d is there. No, we'll substitute a plus n minus 1 into d is 2, Hasni. A plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay.
Okay, sir.
A plus 2n is equal to minus 2 will go that side, becomes 6. 4 plus 2. Okay, Hasni. Now I am substituting this. Now I am substituting this, Hasni. Whatever n value we found out now here, that I am substituting it here, Hasni.
Okay.
2 into minus 28 by a plus 4. Okay, Hasni,
Okay, sir.
is equal to 6. So a plus of minus is minus 2 into 28 is 56 by a plus 4 is equal to. Any doubt once check first?
No, sir.
So Hasni, here little fraction simplification will be there, Hasni. I think little bit if you are not familiar with this before, because little basics are involved here. So here, Hasni, what you have to do is this is 8 by 1, Hasni. Nothing means. Okay.
Okay.
Now, simply we need to, whenever you have to club two fractions, generally we will do LCM, but here this is algebra involvement. Now, a plus 4 only will be the LCM.
Okay.
Hasni, here we have to do like whenever algebra is involved, Hasni, simply you can remember like this. This one you have to multiply with a plus 4 only. Numerator, generally if numbers are there, means suppose here 5 is there in the place of a plus 4, we will do into 5, 1 into 5, a into 5 like that, no? Suppose if we have like this, Hasni. To make the denominator same, we'll do this into 5, no?
Yes, sir.
This into 1, this into 1. Like that, here a plus 4 is only the LCM. Here 5 is the LCM, so we are making into 5 into 5. Like that, here a plus 4 is only the LCM, so you have to multiply with a plus 4, a plus 4.
Okay.
So the other one you have to multiply with into 1 into 1. Means simply what I'll tell easy way to for students to remember is the same thing. You can just simply this into this like that it will happen.
Okay.
So now if I continue solving the sum here, Hasni, a into here from here I'm just continuing here, Hasni.
Okay.
So a minus a into a plus 4 minus 56 is equal to by 1 into a plus 4 is equal to 6 Hasni. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So a into a plus 4 is a square plus 4a Hasni. And minus 56 is equal to 6 into a plus 6 into 4. 6a plus 34. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
How I got 6a plus 24? Can you tell, Hasni?
So could you repeat the question?
Here, how I got 6a plus 24? This gets cross multiplied, Hasni. We need to simplify.
Oh, okay, sir. You multiplied 6a and 6 into 4, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Actually, 6 into bracket open a plus 4 I should write. So in the next table becomes 6a plus 6 equals to 24.
Okay.
These two
Okay.
fractions are clubbing it. So in that will happen like that. So next step is Hasni, a square plus 4a minus 6a minus 56 minus 24 is equal to 0 Hasni. Means I am bringing every term left side. Okay, Hasni, minus 56 minus. Okay.
Okay.
So Hasni, now a square plus 4a minus 6a is minus 2a.
Okay.
Minus 56 minus 24 is minus 8.
Okay.
So now Hasni, again factorization came, you can see. It is in terms of instead of variable x, we have a Hasni.
Okay.
So 80 into a square. So what are the factors is Hasni? 16 into 5, 20 into 4, 10 into 8. 10 into 8 will come. A square plus a square minus 10a plus 8a Hasni.
Okay.
minus 10a plus 8a. Minus 10a plus 8a, if you do, you'll get minus 2a, and multiplication will be minus 80a square.
Okay.
So already factorization I explained clearly some days back as me during polynomials. So I made you do also so many.
Yes, the factorization is easy.
Yes, Hasni. So any doubt here, Hasni?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we will take a common, Hasni. A into a minus 10 plus 8 into a minus 10 is equal to 0. So a plus 8 into a minus 8, 10 is equal to 0. So a plus 8, when you equate it to 0, Hasni, you will get a as minus 8, Hasni, which a as minus 8. And if you equate a minus 10 to 0, or if you equate a minus 10 to 0, you will get a as 10, Hasni.
Okay.
So which value to, they're asking finally in this question, find n and a. N and a, Hasni. N is, so a we got two values, Hasni, minus 8 and plus 10.
Okay.
So if suppose, Hasni, we cannot, since sum of n terms is minus 14 negative, sum of n terms is minus 14, Hasni, if you observe in the question.
Yes, sir.
Sum of n terms is negative. So here, suppose if we take a as plus 10 and d as 2, if d is 2 and a is plus 10, Hasni, means first term a is plus 10 and d is 2, suppose, then what will happen? The series will be like 10, 12, 14, 16, like that, no?
Yes, sir.
Then some will become negative, Hasni, if suppose the series is positive 10, 12, 14, because 10 is a and d is 2, second term will be 12, third term 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, like that, no?
Yes, sir.
Then when the numbers are all positive starting from 10, can some will be negative answer, Hasni?
No, sir.
So it is not possible if a is 10, a negative sum is not possible, because if the first term is 10 and d is positive, the right side, the terms will increase like that.
Okay.
So because of that reason, sum cannot be negative. If a is minus 8, then only there is a possibility of getting sum as minus 14 for some number of terms.
Okay.
Okay, Hasni? So because
Okay.
of that reason, a is equal to 10 here is not possible. A is
Okay.
equal to 10 is not
Possible.
possible. So what we will do is, we will take only a is equal to minus 8.
Minus 8.
Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So now what I will do is, Hasni, I'll find out n also. Using an, we can find out n, or simply we can substitute in this, Hasni, n, to get n. Okay.
Okay.
So n is equal to minus 28 by a is how much, Hasni? Minus 8 plus 4.
Okay, sir.
N is equal to minus 28 by minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4, Hasni. This 7.
Okay, sir.
So n is equal to 7. Means, sir, if you take 7 terms in the series, Hasni, and if you do S7, you will get minus 14 only. Let us, if you want, we can verify also. A, we took it as minus 8, no, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
And plus 2, when you do, you will get the next term, because D is 2. Minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6. Then minus 4. Minus 6 plus 4. Plus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. 2. How many like that I am finding this? N is equal to 7. 7 terms I took, Hasni.
Okay.
Okay. So you can add them, you will get clearly sum of 7 terms as minus 14. If you add them, Hasni, 4 plus 4 minus 4 will get that, minus 2 plus 2 will get that, minus 8 minus 6 is minus 14.
Okay.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Okay. Hasni. So because of that reason, n is 7, Hasni, and a is minus 8. A is equal to 10 is not possible in this case, Hasni.
Okay.
Because it's a quadratic polynomial, we will get two answers for the variable. Okay.
Okay.
So once you'll check the back answer, Hasni. A is -8 and N is 7 as per the question.
Yes, sir.
Both are correct, Hasni.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hasni, we'll go to the next one. Hasni. I'm deleting it. Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So third one, 9th bit, Hasni. So third and 9th and onwards, shall we freshly do it in our next class, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Actually, in this, if you practice this, all the 10 bits Hasni, it will be little bit useful for basics also. Basics, some basic simplification of equation also will be covered, and also you will get practice of quadratic polynomial factorization again, Hasni. Like I said, that time polynomial factorization can come in any chapter.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Bye. Hasni.
Bye.